Hi, Taslimul Hasan here, a professional web designer and developer. In this quick video, I will show you how you can clone or copy any design from other websites using ChatGPT. So this is a reference website. From here, let's copy this part using ChatGPT. You can take a screenshot of any part of any website and just put it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create the HTML code for you. Okay, I'm just saving this part and go to the ChatGPT and click on these files and upload the files, this file, and write a prompt. Recreate same design using HTML and CSS. You can elaborate the prompt for better result. You can see the ChatGPT is writing the codes. I am giving more commands to ChatGPT to merge the codes and replace the placeholder with the icons. And now just copy the code and go to the codepen.io/pen and put the HTML code here. You can put HTML or CSS code separately. Okay, now you can see the design is almost the same as the reference website. So you need to now you need to just customize it as per your need, but the design is almost the same. So let's try another section. So let's try the footer section, this contact us section. Take a screenshot of this section and put it ChatGPT and give a command to ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is writing the codes for this section. Now copy the code and go to the code pen again, codepen.io/pen, and put the code to check if the code is okay. So I paste the code here on the left, and you can see the design is almost the same to same. There may be small different, but you need to customize it as per your brand, as per your need. But this is very helpful. The ChatGPT will write all the relevant codes for any section that you want to recreate. So this can be helpful when there is a complex section and you cannot figure out how to create the HTML and CSS codes. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.